So changing gas. If there is no beer pouring upstairs, first thing to do is check that the keg is not empty. If the kegs are all full, then the problem is probably a gas. The gas is gone. Now in the railway arms we have three different systems. We have a 70-30 mixed gas, which is for real ales, Guinness and the line cleaning circuit. We have a 60-40 mixed gas between nitrogen and oxygen, nitrogen carbon dioxide, sorry. The 60-40 is for all the other kegs, so that's all the Wild Skies, Carlsberg, San Miguel, etc. And then we have a CO2 system which just powers the post-mix. The process is similar in them all. They all have their own gas indicators. In the green there, that one is full. This one is on there. That is down, but there's still some in it. This one is a 60-40, and as we can see, it's in the red. It's gone. It's finished. We need to change it. First step with changing it is to make sure the gas is turned off. It's fully turned off. This spanner should sit here. Doesn't always, but it should do, and it fits the 60-40 and the 70-30. The CO2 has its own spanner attached to the tube there. So it's very important that the correct gas goes on the correct system. They are clearly labelled here, 30-70, 60-40. There's a tag on all these cylinders, green for 70-30, white for 60-40. The CO2 is a purple head and is quite distinctive. Very important that the correct one goes on. If you put, for instance, if you put Guinness on a 60-40, you'll destroy that whole keg of Guinness. So then to change the cylinder, bespoke spanner, anti-clockwise takes it off. These should be plugged on the floor, or the safety chain should be on at all times. So I've got a 60-40, a new one, and we just reverse the process to put the new one on. So we put it in position, put the safety chain across, take the dust cap out, and again we just reverse the process. So it's a lefty loosey, righty tighty. Then we can either use this attachment by hand just to firm it up, and then the last part is just to tighten it. It doesn't need to be super tight, but it needs to be tight, is the best way to describe it. You'll hate if you come down here and it's busy and it takes you half an hour to get this off because it's on too tight. But you'll know when you open the gas, which I'm going to do now, which is done by an anti-clockwise movement of the handle here. Two things will happen. The gauge will show that the gas is now full, and if that wasn't on tight you would hear a hissing, so it's probably good practice to listen for a hiss. And if there is a little bit of a hiss, just tighten it again a little bit. And that's it. This goes back here, so for the next time, it's there for you.